Hello CAD lover, welcome to my channel CAD and AVA. Today I'm going to share you the tutorial how to create part design or part model in SolidWorks software. As you guys know, what is a SolidWorks? SolidWorks CAD software is mechanical design automation application that lets designer quickly sketch out ideas, experiment with features and dimensions, and produce models and detailed drawings. So in this basic tutorial, I'm going to share you how to create a sketch and then define the sketch into parts by incorporating some features in SolidWorks or using the variety of tools in SolidWorks. And hopefully this course is designed for the absolute beginner. So you guys don't need to worry if you don't have any experience in using any CAD platform, or meaning no previous experience with SolidWorks is needed. And if you guys want to fill up your gap in SolidWorks, hopefully this is the right tutorial for you. And I believe once you completed this tutorial or you follow this tutorial, you will be fully capable of using these tools and techniques to create your own part model. And of course, get control perfectly using this 3D modeling software. Let's get started. Well, let's open SolidWorks. This is SolidWorks version 2020 that I have in my PC desktop. So if you guys have another versions, no problem. For example, 2019, 2018, or 2017 is okay. First of all, we have to create a new document in SolidWorks. Just go to the toolbar and you will see the blank paper icon. That's create a new document. Just click, then you will see the document types in SolidWorks. Before to start to create the part model in SolidWorks, let me explain about the document structure or document type in SolidWorks itself. Basically, there are three types SolidWorks document. They are part, assembly, and drawings. What is the document structure? Document structure or document type is organized to reflect the way that you use the SolidWorks software. And as you guys see in the window, SolidWorks has three types of document: parts, assembly, and drawings. For example, you create a part before you create an assembly. So I will start to create the part model or part design. Just double click in the part document type. Then a SolidWorks display window will come. In this area, we call it Feature Manager Design Tree, and this is graphic area, and the model as well will be showing here. So there are three global planes: front plane, top plane, and right plane. So you can select any planes you want. For example, I will select front plane to start to create a sketch before create the 3D model. We have to define the sketch first. Click front plane and then go to the sketch. Anything you can sketch. For example, I want to create a circle or solid bar. No need to define the dimension, just want to show you how to create 3D model. And then go to the feature, click extrude or select extrude. You define the dimension, for example 100 millimeters, Here we go. You will have a solid bar. If you want to manipulate the sketch itself, just click in the Boss Extrude feature. You will see the sketch. Just right click and edit sketch. And then to make it normal to your view, just press Ctrl button and it will be perpendicular to your view or normal to. Put the dimension, for example, put 250 millimeters and then exit. If you want to make it like hollow bar or like a pipe, you can edit again the sketch. Just right click on the sketch and then select the edit sketch. To make it perpendicular, you can get from this one. Normal to, so it will be perpendicular, and then create another sketch, another circle. Give the dimension here, for example, 200. That's it. Then you will have solid bar or pipe. And if you want to change or modify the length of the bar, you can do the same thing. Just go to the feature itself, right click, edit feature, and change the length of the hollow bar or the pipe, for example 1000 or 1 meter. See, now the length of the pipe become 1 meter. Let's try to create another model. Just close it. No need to save it. Don't save. And you create again, create new part model. You select top plane, for example. Go to the sketch. Create a rectangle. Anything. And then go to the feature. You define the thickness of this rectangle. For example, 250 millimeter. Okay. The same thing, if you want to put the dimension on the sketch, just click on the Boss Extrude 1 and then right click on the sketch and edit sketch. To make it the normal view, just press Ctrl button and okay. Put dimension here, for example 300. This one is 200. And then put another rectangle here. The same thing, put dimension 200. Okay. And exit. And you will have hollow bar as well. And if you want to change the length of the hollow bar, rectangle bar, just click on the Boss Extrude or the feature, edit feature. Put, for example, 500. It's too easy. You can try to create another part model as well. Just close it, no need to save it. The same thing, create a new document, double click on the part. Okay, now in the right plane, just select the right plane and then right click, select sketch. Okay, try to create a polygon here, anything, and then you select go to the feature, select the feature and click extrude. You define the thickness, for example 150. Here we go. Okay, if you want to try to create a hollow, the same thing, just click on a sketch, right click and then edit sketch, normal to, or press Ctrl button and 8. Okay, put the circle inside, for example, exit. Here we go. So it's so easy actually to create a part model in SolidWorks. Anyway, that's all the tutorial for this time, and thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and give your comment, and then see you in the next video. Thank you.